Banks and government agencies constantly run warning messages and awareness campaigns about cybercrime.
Be careful.
It's not safe.
If in doubt,
You think
don't
you are
open.
helping
Be
a friend
alert.
in need,
Be safe.
but
Hey,
really,
don't click
it's
that
fraud
If you
just
have a
trying
doubt,
to steal
don't
your money.
open.
They warn you about phishing emails, email scams, and impersonation, about emails that ask you to click links, share information, or act urgently. Fraud emails today don't look suspicious. They look professional. They sound genuine. They arrive like any other normal email in your inbox. That's why simply reading an email carefully is no longer enough. If you want to trust an email today, you must verify it. xorkeesign makes this verification possible. Moreover, this verification is completely free. When you receive a xorkee-signed email, verification happens automatically. A legitimate email can be clearly identified by the xorkeesign green strip at the top. Clicking the green strip shows the verified sender details and confirms that the email has not been altered. If there is any alteration or discrepancy, xorkeesign prominently displays a red strip, warning you not to trust the email. This eliminates uncertainty. You don't have to rely on how convincing the email looks or how urgent it sounds, because without verification, even a single click can lead to financial loss, data theft, or identity misuse. Install the xorkeesign extension from Odyssey's downloads page or from the respective marketplace and use it on your browser, phone, or tablet, ensuring verification remains accessible wherever you check your email. You're repeatedly advised to verify before you act, and this is how you do it. xorkeesign Mail Extension. Trust, but verify.